I'm doing something different. I'm in my bathroom, and the reason is because I'm going to be renovating my bathroom all by myself. This is going to be a very fun and stressful process. So in today's episode of the renovation series, or whatever I'm going to be calling this, I'm going to be walking you guys through my whole tiling process. So this process actually started about 3 months ago when I decided to remove all the original tile that was on this floor. I basically used this thing right here and a hammer. I was just like chiseling. I removed all the tile, and then I also had to remove all the gunk that was left over from the original thin set and mortar. Some parts were just really thick and did not want to come off. There was like one big piece of original thin set that I had to just leave right there because it was really hard for me to take off, and it like wasn't budging at all. So we fast forward to 3 months later. Did the whole tiling process on Sunday. I can't believe I can finally say that I am doing my bathroom floor. So I just rented a tile saw, and Christian is showing me how to cut because he's going to leave me to do it.
I want you to take pride into once this is completed, like you literally did it all by yourself.
Yeah.
So you have some supervision.
Should we start from the front or?
This is a learning process for both of us, by the way.
You got it? Is it heavy?
It's pretty freaking heavy.
Firstly, my boyfriend helped me. Well, he didn't help me. He removed the toilet for me, and we cleaned out all the gunk that was left over. And then I also rented a tile saw, and it cost me $50 for the whole day, which was perfect because I ended up changing the layout of how I wanted the tile to lay, and so I had to recut some pieces. Alright, so I've just been cutting some tile. The other part's a little bit more intricate, I'd say, so I'm gonna wait for Christian so he can help me with those parts, but these ones are pretty easy. So it's honestly just straight down the middle. I cut pretty much everything, kind of. I'm gonna cut out some more of these little pieces for the front right here, like the doorway. And then I'm going to lay out the tile with the spacers correctly. I'm thinking I might have to cut like small little centimeter off of these. Right now, the way I have it set up, it's like not able to sit correctly. So then after I cut out everything, my dad actually helped me lay the tile, showed me how to do it. I don't think we did it the most professional way, but it works. My dad and I just finished the tile for the bathroom. Hello, spirits. So I didn't record the process because it was a little stressful, honestly. And yeah, and I definitely don't think we did it like the by the book way at all. We just like kind of, you know, did what we heard, what we seen on YouTube. But I mean, it worked. We'll see how it comes out tomorrow, and we're gonna do the grout tomorrow. And yeah, I'm gonna clean all this up once it dries, you know, the spill. But this is how it looks so far. Everybody, Mama's always gets a cameo in the videos. Look at the mommy! That brings us to the next step, which was the grout. I'm just gonna be following the instructions on the box. That shouldn't be that hard. I'm just going to be doing this like in little sections because I don't want to waste all this in case I do it wrong or something. What I have is one of these. I'm going to be mixing the grout right here. I have my bucket of water. I have my grout, a sponge, and I have some cocoa butter, which is empty because my dog ate it all. I'm just going to be pouring the water with this. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to like chisel this and then sweep, and also clean the area with just a damp sponge. look like a pasty and it's more smooth. I did this all by hand, and I know like most people would probably do this with the mixer on a drill. I am using a grout float, and yeah, this is just rubber. I'm just mimicking what I see on the YouTube, so I don't know if this is right. Like that. Okay. I need to seal. So I waited about, honestly, like a day and a half. I've never done this before, but I got sealer today. This is the one I have. So I already applied the first layer, but now I'm gonna do the second layer of the sealer, which honestly, this is really satisfying to watch and do. It's literally like those maze puzzles I used to get in school where you just like follow the lines. That is the end of the first chapter of the renovation series. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this content is interesting to you guys. Make sure to like this video if you liked it. And if you guys want to keep up with me, follow me on Instagram. It'll be right here. And I also have an online store, so if you guys want to check that out, support me and support this renovation, this build, whatever you want to call it, support me on there. That'd be great. That'd be awesome. So I'm just signing off now. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Sorry about this like crappy webcam footage, but yeah, I just really want to finish this video. Okay, say bye.